Today I am going to discuss over a topic that is fear. Fear, which is a very small word, but it has an immense effect on our life. We face fear of different kinds. Some of us face fear from outside, but some of us face fear from inside. It is easier to overcome the fear of outside, but when it comes the fear from inside, we really need to work hard to overcome it. Strong willpower is needed to overcome it. I also faced same kind of problem. Same kind of fear, which was internal fear, while I was at the age of 16 or 17. So after facing the same, I had composed a short poem over it. So the title of the poem is The Unknown Fear. So I would like to draw your attention the lines which I am going to recite. So please pay attention to what I recite. Okay, the title of the poem, as I told you, The Unknown Fear. The lines are: whether at day or at night, whether at day or at night, something that is always hide. Whether at day or at night, something that is always hide. Check me always and force to hear. Check me always and force to hear. The unknown fear. The unknown fear. Check me always and force to hear. The unknown fear. The unknown fear. I do always write. I do always write and consider over my work. I do always write and consider over my work. Yet fear makes me tight. Yet fear makes me tight by giving some jerk. I do always write and consider over my work, but fear makes me tight by giving some jerk. It makes me depressed and force me to reflect. It makes me depressed and force me to reflect over the work I did. Mind has become thoughtful. Mind has become thoughtful and takes seldom rest. Mind has become thoughtful and takes seldom rest. But thinking makes it sorrowful. But thinking makes it sorrowful by snatching all the jest. Mind has become thoughtful and takes seldom rest. But thinking makes it sorrowful by snatching all the jest. I try a lot to make it aside. I try a lot to make it aside. Yet it runs fast. Yet it runs fast and chase me with a stride. I try a lot to make it aside, but it runs fast and chase me with a stride. So here concludes my poem. So I think you would definitely like these lines and think over the fear and always try to fight what kind of fear you feel. Okay, thank you.